Welcome to a quick tour of AIRefine Keyboard app. Let's start with the floating bar. Grab the grip on the left and drag the bar anywhere on screen. It floats above your other windows so it stays within reach while you work. Let's walk through the controls. This vertical strip shows how many tokens you have available. Use this button when text was typed with the wrong keyboard layout. That's useful if you use two physical layouts. It converts what you typed into the correct one. Dictation captures what you say and turns it into text instantly, which makes writing feel significantly faster than pressing keys. Improve, it refines what you've written. Translate handles translation in one tap. Tap the chevron that opens the right section, a place to hide actions you don't need right now. Here you'll find tone presets, polite, neutral, or friendly. They control how the AI shapes your text. It's a quick way to match the style you need, and it's genuinely useful day to day. You also get a second translate slot. At the far right control opens settings. You are not locked into a fixed button order. Drag buttons between the left and right sections. Reorder them anytime. Put the controls where they feel right for your workflow. Tap the chevron again to collapse back to a compact bar. Now look at the menu bar, the area with the star, and the same actions are available from the menu bar, not only from the floating bar. You can choose what stays visible on your Mac. Hide the menu bar icon, the dock icon, or the floating bar, whatever fits how you like to work. Enable Open at login if you want the app to start when you sign in, so your tools are always ready without launching it manually. If you hide the floating bar, you can still run everything from the menu bar or use keyboard shortcuts. Shortcuts get their own video. Turn the floating bar back on. Let's open Settings from the menu bar. Inside Settings, the sections follow this order from top to bottom. Here's what each one is for. Subscription, your plan and token usage for the current period. Even without a paid subscription, you get welcome tokens to try the app. You can also buy extra token packs here. Promo code. With an active subscription, you can invite friends. If you have a promo code, enter it here. Try from this window. If you need to improve or translate something in isolation, do it right here. Paste sample text, run improve or translate, and read the result without switching apps. Dictation, two listening styles, and they feel completely different. First, life, phrase by phrase, words can land while you're still talking, great when you want instant feedback. Second, after recording stops, the whole clip goes up once you finish. The model sees full sentences in longer context, and that's usually where accuracy shines on real dictation. In the second mode, you can optionally improve the transcript or translate it before it is inserted. You can also choose the output language here. Tone, choose how the AI styles your text. Polite, neutral, or friendly. Translation, choose your main target language and a second one. These settings power the two translate buttons on the floating bar. Keyboard layouts, choose two physical layouts used by the fix wrong layout action. You can set them manually. Floating panel, customize how the floating bar looks, including its style and the loading indicator shown while AI actions are running. Application language, choose the language of the app interface. The app restarts to apply your choice. Keyboard shortcuts, set global shortcuts for each action. Record the key combinations you want and reset them if needed. Menu bar, dock, and toolbar, choose whether the app appears in the menu bar, the dock, or as a floating bar. You can also recenter the floating bar if it is hard to find. The app always keeps at least one visible way to open settings. Permissions, manage accessibility for working across other apps, and microphone access for dictation. You can request access or open the right system settings pages from here. Support. Contact us by email if you need help. That's it. We hope you enjoy the app.